pay to search, Google may start charging for AI search features. Google is reportedly exploring a new venture that intertwines search engines and AI. Insiders hint at the possibility of Google implementing AI-driven search functionalities, which might come with a subscription fee. This would be an unprecedented move for Google, as the tech giant has historically offered its search services for free. This strategy shift might indicate that advertising revenues are no longer as lucrative as before. Although this represents a significant alteration in Google's revenue strategy, it remains uncertain if this heralds the introduction of more fees for search-related services. Reports suggest that Google is considering placing some of its search offerings behind a paywall. This includes AI-generated premium content. It appears that Google hasn't yet finalized its decision on whether to charge for AI search results. However, such a move would set a concerning precedent. The reasons behind this potential shift could include the high costs of AI research and development, as well as operational expenses related to the technology. In response to inquiries, Google stated to the BBC that they're not planning or considering an ad-free search experience. This statement doesn't directly address the report, leaving open the question of whether AI features are viewed as separate from their traditional search services. Google's statement concluded by mentioning their ongoing efforts to develop new premium features and services to enhance their subscription options, though no specific announcements were made.